So friends, namaskar and good day to all viewers. So friends, सीवी की पाठशाला में चाय पर चर्चा पर एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंफॉर्मेशन लेकर आए हैं। प्लीज बी विद अस टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो एंड सीरीज बाय मैं इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मैटर आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं। एक प्रेजेंटेशन सीवी की पाठशाला में चाय पर चर्चा पर एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपका अपना दोस्त इंजीनियर संदीप बांसल वैल्यूअर आपके सामने एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बिग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज लेकर। अब क्या न्यूज है ये आप के लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी है। फॉर्म 169 एडिटेबल वर्ड फॉर्मेट विद एनेक्सर्स फॉर्मेट्स नाउ अवेलेबल फॉर डाउनलोड। सीवी की पाठशाला में इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल मेंबर्स। फॉर्म नंबर 169 एडिटेबल वर्ड फॉर्मेट along with sample annexure formats now available for download. Registration under the Income Tax Act 2025 for all valuers. Please do not wait until the last date. ये अभी एक प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू करते हैं। प्रेजेंटेशन खत्म होने के बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा कहां से आपको फॉर्म डाउनलोड करने और कैसे आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इजी टू एडिट फॉर्म्स हैं, सैंपल एनेक्चर्स हैं जो जो आपको लगाने हैं प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंसी के, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस के, पुराने काम के, पुरानी एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स के क्या क्या फॉर्मेट्स हैं वो हम आपको बताएंगे। इट विल सेव योर टाइम एंड इट विल स्टे यू कैन बी स्टे कंप्लाइंट विद एवरीथिंग। तो डाउनलोड कहां से करना है ये हम आपको बताएंगे। अभी हम we request our colleague to please explain the things what are available so that our members can be able to get the required information. Over to my colleague for further presentation.
Here's a detailed website announcement suitable for publication on the official website of the Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group. Important announcement for all members. Form No. 169, editable Word format, along with sample annexure formats now available for download. The Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, has always remained committed to supporting its members by providing timely guidance, practical resources, and professional assistance in complying with the latest statutory requirements. With the introduction of the Income Tax Act 2025 and the corresponding Income Tax Rules 2026, valuers seeking transition of registration as valuers under the Income Tax Department are required to submit Form number 169 along with various supporting documents and annexures. Recognizing that many members may face practical difficulties in preparing these documents in the prescribed format, the Council of Engineers and Valuers has undertaken the effort of converting Form number 169 into an editable Microsoft Word format for the convenience of all members. Resources made available for the benefit of all members. The following documents have been prepared and made available. Editable Form number 169 in Microsoft Word format, a completely filled-in specimen of Form number 169 for ready reference. Sample annexure formats covering the various declarations, undertakings, and supporting documents generally required to accompany the application. Reference formats prepared in an organized and user-friendly manner to facilitate easier preparation of applications. Purpose of providing these formats. The objective of making these documents available is to reduce the time required for preparing the application, assist members in understanding the information required under each column of Form number 169, minimize clerical and formatting errors, help applicants prepare complete and well-structured applications, promote uniformity in documentation submitted by members. Important advisory members are advised that the filled Form No. 169 has been prepared only as a sample for guidance and understanding. The annexure formats are merely specimen formats prepared for ready reference. Every applicant must carefully verify the requirements applicable to his or her own case. Members are free to modify, add, delete, or suitably amend the annexure formats depending upon their individual facts, qualifications, experience, supporting documents, and statutory requirements. It shall remain the sole responsibility of the applicant to ensure that the information furnished in the application is true, complete, accurate, and supported by appropriate documentary evidence. Members should carefully read all applicable provisions of the Income Tax Act 2025, the Income Tax Rules 2026, notifications, circulars, and directions issued by the competent authority before submitting their applications. Disclaimer. The editable form number 169, filled specimen and annexure formats have been prepared solely as a professional facilitation initiative by the Council of Engineers and Valuers for the convenience of its members. These documents should not be construed as legal advice or as official formats issued by the Income Tax Department. The Council does not guarantee acceptance of any application based upon these reference documents. Applicants are advised to exercise due diligence and, wherever necessary, seek professional or legal advice before submission. Our commitment. The Council of Engineers and Valuers remains dedicated to assisting professionals during this important transition phase by providing authentic educational resources, practical guidance, and professional support. We sincerely hope that these reference documents will enable members to prepare their applications more efficiently and with greater confidence. Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, serving the profession with knowledge, integrity, and important announcement for all members. Form number 169, editable Word format, along with filled sample and annexure formats now available for download. Registration under the Income Tax Act 2025. Transition of existing valuers. Professional assistance by the Council of Engineers and Valuers. The Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, is pleased to announce that, as part of its continuous commitment towards the welfare and professional development of its members, it has successfully prepared and made available an editable Microsoft Word version of Form number 169, prescribed under the Income Tax Rules 2026, for registration as a valuer under the Income Tax Act 2025. Understanding the practical difficulties faced by professionals in preparing statutory applications and supporting documentation, the Council has invested considerable time and effort in developing a comprehensive reference package to facilitate the transition process for existing valuers. The download package includes editable form number 169 in Microsoft Word format, a completely filled sample form number 169 for ready reference, sample annexure formats covering various declarations, undertakings, and supporting documents, reference formats prepared in a systematic and user-friendly manner. Objective of providing these documents. The Council has prepared these documents with the objective of assisting members in preparing their applications accurately and efficiently, saving valuable professional time by eliminating repetitive drafting work, helping applicants understand the information required in each part of form number 169, promoting uniformity and consistency in documentation, reducing avoidable clerical and formatting errors, enabling members to submit well-organized applications to the Income Tax Department. Important advisory members are requested to note the following carefully. The filled form No. 169 has been prepared solely as a specimen for educational and reference purposes. The sample annexure formats are illustrative in nature and have been provided only to assist members in understanding the expected format of supporting documents. Every applicant must review and modify these formats according to his or her own qualifications, experience, facts, supporting documents, and statutory requirements. Additional annexures or modifications may be necessary depending upon the circumstances of each individual case. Before submitting the application, members should carefully verify that all information furnished is complete, accurate, and supported by documentary evidence. Disclaimer. The editable form number 169 filled sample form and annexure formats have been prepared by the Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, purely as a professional facilitation initiative for the benefit of its members. These documents are intended only as reference material and should not be construed as official formats issued by the Income Tax Department, nor as legal or professional advice. The Council accepts no responsibility for any omission, modification, or rejection of any application. Applicants shall remain solely responsible for ensuring compliance with all applicable provisions of the Income Tax Act 2025, the Income Tax Rules 2026, notifications, circulars, and guidelines issued by the competent authorities. Our commitment. The Council of Engineers and Valuers remains committed to providing timely guidance, quality educational resources, and practical professional support to the valuation fraternity during this significant transition under the new income tax regime. We encourage all eligible members to make full use of these resources and submit their applications well before the prescribed deadline. Download the documents today and begin your registration process without delay. Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, serving the profession through knowledge, professional excellence, and ethical leadership. Task 2. Member Circular Email Notice, subject, Form number 169, editable Word format and sample annexures now available. Dear members, the Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group, is pleased to inform all members that it has prepared an editable Microsoft Word version of Form number 169, together with a filled sample form and sample annexure formats, to facilitate the registration transition process under the Income Tax Act 2025. The documents have been prepared after considerable effort with the objective of helping members prepare their applications quickly, accurately, and in the prescribed manner. The download package includes editable form number 169, Word format, filled sample form number 169, sample annexure formats, ready reference documents. Members are advised that these documents are provided solely as reference material. The annexure formats may be modified according to the facts and requirements applicable to each individual case. Applicants should ensure that all particulars furnished are correct and fully supported by documentary evidence before submission. We strongly advise all eligible members not to wait until the last date and to begin preparing their applications at the earliest. The Council remains committed to supporting the valuation profession by providing practical guidance and professional resources. With best wishes, Council of Engineers and Valuers, CEV Group. 3. Download page introduction. Download setter, Form No. 169. To assist members in the registration and transition process under the Income Tax Act 2025, the Council of Engineers and Valuers has prepared the following reference documents for download. Editable Form number 169, Microsoft Word format, filled sample form number 169, sample annexure formats, supporting reference documents. Please note, these documents have been prepared solely for the convenience and guidance of members. The annexure formats are illustrative and may be suitably modified according to the facts of each case and the applicable statutory requirements. Members are advised to verify all particulars carefully before submission of their applications. The Council encourages all eligible members to download these documents and commence the registration process well before the prescribed deadline.
Thank you very much, my colleague, for explaining all the matters and all the things and all the points in a very simple language. So friends, now I will tell you from where you can be able to download these all forms. First of all, you need to log into this cvnews.in. In cvnews.in, you need to log into home page. In home page, you will get this type of screen, and in the latest news, the first news is form number 169, editable Word format with annexure format. You can download all the forms and annexures by clicking on this link. After clicking on this link, you will get this news open, and after that, when you scroll it down, you will get a download option. Click here option is available here. Click the button for all details. When you click on this button, click here button, red color button, click here is there. You need to get the access. First of all, you need to click on viewer, then you need to send or type your name and then request to be sent. First of all, you need to click on viewer, not editor, not commenter. You should be a viewer while sending the request. And in the message box, you need to type your name. When you type your name and send the request for access, this screen will open. Request sent. You will get an email letting you know if your request was approved. After sending this email, you will get email confirming that your request is being approved, and you can be able to view the required files. So friends, committed to professional excellence, ethical practice, and statutory compliance, issued in the larger interest of valuation profession by Council of Engineers and Valuers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to comment, subscribe, and click on the like button for encouraging our team who is working for you day and night for preparing more such videos. Goodbye, good luck, keep learning, stay safe.